What's going on, guys? James Garville for another video. Hope you guys are having a good day. Today's gonna be a little interesting. So I don't know if you guys remember my friend Adrian with the Mustang GT. He actually straight piped it and it seems like it's super loud. I haven't heard it in person yet, only on Instagram. He's gonna be rolling up here in a few minutes and it'll be the first time I've actually heard it in person. So I'm pretty excited. He should be coming up this hill right here. Adrian, where you at, bro? If it's actually as loud as it sounds in the videos, I mean, my question is, when people have loud cars like that, it's like, how do you get away with that? Like, how do you not get pulled over in 2 seconds? Dude, that's too loud.
Yeah, it's pretty loud.
What's up, Don?
What's up? How you doing? Even.
Good.
So yeah, day 22 of having long tube headers here, you know.
That actually hurt my ears a little bit.
Yeah.
Damn, what size tires are those?
315s.
What the heck? Why do you have those on?
Well, my friend gave them to me for free for swinging it somewhere in Santa Clarita, and then brought
looking like a drag car.
Right.
That's crazy. And you got a front lip. APR front lip.
Splitter.
Dude, it looks so much different. So just like, with the wheels and that, it looks like way different.
And then I just ordered a carbon fiber duct lid, and then carbon fiber quarter window louvers too. So
I can't believe you got this splitter for free too, huh?
Yeah.
That's so funny. I can't believe you put it on here.
Yeah, it used to be just brown and black. You couldn't even see that it was carbon fiber.
You had to sand it?
And then I polished it, yeah. Polished and buffed it.
That's funny, dude.
All that stuff is just from the water, but it looks really good and stuff. It's solid, it functions.
Have you scraped it yet?
Yeah, a little bit.
How much did those go for, like new?
$300.
Oh, really? So it's not that bad.
No. There are the headers.
Oh, shoot. You can see it.
Yeah.
That's sick.
Total install took about like 6 hours.
Damn.
7. So it's a pretty hefty job, but it honestly wasn't that bad.
This ain't like changing headers on a Honda.
Nah. Talking about a Honda.
There it is. Look at that tag.
Yeah.
Yo. With a Type R wing.
Yeah, right.
That's clean though, dude. How much were the headers?
$1,000.
Really?
Yeah, and then the mid pipe was like 400.
That's crazy. Has it been sketchy driving around this loud?
Yeah, but I'm pretty responsible. Like, I don't speed.
Yeah.
I might just, get on it to be loud, but I'm not exceeding the limit.
Damn, you can smell it too.
Yep.
That's a no cat life.
Yep.
Alright, we're gonna go cruise around in Adrian's Mustang and see if we can scare some people.
Watch. Our first victim, we found the victims.
Oh god. Oh wait, hold on.
That Buick's hauling ass.
Oh dude, they're gonna be pissed. Do they look?
Yeah.
That's back from. Damn, dude. It does feel like it pulls harder.
Yeah, and that's with heavier wheels too.
Yeah. Yeah, it definitely pulls harder. There's way more torque.
Oh, yeah. Nitrous switch right here. What used to be the nitrous switch, but different purpose now. Crikey, we're out here today to catch some victims. We're out here in the
Drive safely, Adrian.
Camarillo outlets.
Drive safely.
We're trying to get a victim.
Bro, you better drive safely. Oh my god, dude.
A lot of victims I see out here.
You can't scare these people, dude.
Hey, three's a crowd, homie.
No, you can't do it.
Right?
Jeez. No, not the kids. Not the kids. Not the kids, dude. Not the babies. You gotta get like a guy on the outside, like by himself or something. This is too much. Gonna break eardrums out here.
Right here. Get them.
Alright. stock, right?
Yeah, it's pretty stock. Covered her ears.
Did she really?
Yeah.
Alright guys, really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, subscribe to the channel, follow myself and Adrian on Instagram. Adrian, thanks again, man.
Yeah, of course.
That was a lot of fun.
Anytime.
That was pretty funny. Alright guys, have a good day.